Metals Daily News brought to you by Metals Update, the driving force behind your business. Metals Update has released the Indian Copper Outlook 2020-21 Copper Out of the Pit. The report contains all you need to know about the Indian copper market. Indian refined copper consumption, production and price forecast have been provided till the year 2020-21, and a one-time purchase gives you access to all future updates in 2017. So book your copy now. Moving on to today's news, 3-month forward prices traded on London Metals Exchange have decreased consistently over the past 4 days. Aluminium forwards are down by 3.74%, copper forwards are down by 4.03%, lead forwards are down by 3.08%, nickel forwards are down by 3.49%, zinc forwards are down by 5.83%, and tin forwards are down by 0.76%. The year 2017 promised to be a year where the outlook for the base metals sector was positive, with most of the metals recovering well from their multi-year lows. So do those forecasts still hold, or we are once again looking at another year of prices being lower? The main factors which have caused market to press the panic button are expected increase in interest rates from the current 25 to 50 basis point range to the 125 to 150 basis point range by the end of the year. However, the dollar index, which made its high of 103.62 on 20th of December 2016, and hawkish comments by Fed chair has not caused the dollar index to cross this high. In fact, over the past 4 days, the index has gained only by 0.02%. The second factor was reduction in Chinese GDP growth from 6.7% in 2016 to 6.5% in 2017. If we look at the relation between Chinese GDP and the copper consumption, we find that even though Chinese GDP growth dropped from 9% plus levels to the current 6% plus levels, copper consumption from the 6 million ton levels increased to 12 million ton levels. In addition to the above, deficit in production is expected in zinc and copper for the year 2017. Increase in steel demand in 2017 is also expected to push consumption of nickel, tin and zinc higher. Thus, our expectation is that though prices could go further down in the near term, the long-term trend for prices in the market still continues to be up. Support level for copper is $5,500 per ton. For aluminium, it is $1,700 per ton. For lead, it is $1,900 per ton. For nickel, it is $9,000 per ton. And for zinc, it is at $2,500 per ton. Thank you for listening. Do visit metalsupdate.com for more information. This is Neha Kamble from the Mumbai office wishing you a great day ahead. Thank you.